Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Friday, October 4th. This is David, and we have a couple of names that have split recently. A couple of weeks ago, we got a split in Deckers. We'll look at that, then we'll look at Lamb Research. Here in Deckers, trying to gauge where we're going after the split. This looks like it could be holding up bullishly. After all, we have recently been holding this Voodoo Fire line down here near 148. Right. And now from that level, you can see, particularly with today's follow through, we're pushing above these snow lines north of this all important Voodoo Fire line. So long as we stay above these, next target is 147.57 tree line. And if we can hold above there, hey, maybe the sky's the limit. So on a short-term basis, again, holding or mostly holding 164.44 keeps the focus upwards. Now with Lamb Research that split just yesterday, or traded split adjusted yesterday, it's a little less obvious, right? So the most important level in the area is going to be this Voodoo Fire line. Now look, maybe, just maybe, Lamb Research is rehabilitating itself, and there could be some buyers coming in with the lower price point. After all, it did hold this lower tree line, the second most important level in the area here over the last few months. But in order to keep that going, it really needs to hold this 81.14 Voodoo tree line. So we closed, pretty much right at it, a few pennies above there here today. And so there's a pretty clear decision to see if there's going to be renewed buying interest at these lower prices here at the 81.14 level. Below there, I would hold off on being too constructive about this name until we see some reason to see that it's holding nearby support. So that's what I have for you here this evening. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.